so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're here at Yas Waterworld in Abu Dhabi in the United Arab Emirates. Yeah, this water park is amazing. There are water rides and big slides to go down. But today, you and I have a special mission. Yeah, I'm looking for a pearl. Well, not just any pearl, a really, really big pearl. It's called the mother pearl. Hey, will you help me look for it? Awesome, let's go. No pearls here. Hey, do you know what a pearl looks like? Yeah, it's kind of like a really tiny ball. And that reminds me, do you know the story of the lost pearl? Yeah, it's a really fun story. Yeah, it's about a village where people used to dive for pearls. Yeah, they would dive to the ocean and find pearls in little oysters. Yeah, they would find the pearls, and one day they found a really big pearl. Yeah, the mother pearl, and it brought them lots of good luck. But one day, a really big storm came. Whoa! And they lost the pearl. We want to find it. Ooh, hey, storm. That storm was so big, it was kind of like a tornado. Good thing they have a tornado right here. Let's go ride it. Whoa, check it out. This place is so cool. Yeah, look, it's so rocky, and it looks like maybe there was a shipwreck here with some treasure. Oh, and it looks like there's a water slide back there. Hey, I know. That water slide is called dawama. Yeah, that's the Arabic word for tornado. Whoa! Hey, do you remember the story? Yeah, the story of the lost pearl. They lost the mother pearl because a big storm, a big tornado, blew it away. Maybe if we ride this ride, we can find the mother pearl. Okay, let's take a closer look. Check it out! This slide is huge! Ooh, do you see? It's so big. Ooh, maybe if we ride this ride, the mother pearl will be down there. Ooh, and do you notice? This slide is so colorful. Yeah, it's the colors blue and red. Woo! Well, I'll see you soon. I'm gonna go ride it. Whoa, we made it to the top of Dawama. I can't wait to ride. Oh, look. Hello. I'm Blippi. What's your name?
My name is Irina.
Oh, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you think I could go on the ride?
Yes, they exactly need one person to ride.
Yeah, okay.
Please join them.
Okay, let's go. Whoa!
Okay, guys, hello. Hold the hand tight all the way down.
Okay, here we go. Check it out! Ooh, it's a really big tank of water. And look, there's a shipwreck and some crates. Let's go take a closer look. Come on. This place is awesome! Yeah, this tank of water is so big. There's all kinds of things in the water, look. Ooh, it looks like, there's a bowl and some really big bricks. Whoa, look, there's coral. Ooh, coral's so beautiful. Hey, do you see that right there? Whoa, do you know what that is? That's an oyster. Yeah, an oyster is a sea creature. Whoa, and an oyster makes pearls. Beautiful pearls. Yeah, sometimes a little thing that bothers an oyster like sand gets in its mouth. But after a long time, the oyster turns that little piece of sand, or whatever it is, into a beautiful pearl. Oh, hey, you know what? I bet this is where people dive for pearls. Dive for oysters. Yeah, they find the oysters with the pearls inside. Whoa! Hello! Oh, look, it's a person. Whoa, and look, he's diving. Yeah. Oh, I think he wants me to come with him. Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm Blippi. What's your name?
My name's Silas.
Oh, it's nice to meet you. And are you the diving instructor?
Yes, please. So for diving, we're gonna be diving. Find oysters.
Oysters! Yeah! Woo. Oh, is it okay if I come in the pool?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Oh, check it out. It's a mask.
Yes.
Ooh.
So you have to check it, put it on, then check.
Yeah, we want to put on the mask first before we start diving. So here we go. Uh-oh. They don't fit over my glasses, so
You need to take off your glasses.
yeah, gotta take those off first. Whoa! Look!
All right. Now check it. Just put your head in water and check if it's safe for you.
Okay, yeah, we don't want to get any water in our mask, so here we go. Yeah! No water getting inside.
All right. So now, before you dive in, you need to equalize.
Ooh.
So you need to pop your ears to be more safe.
Did you hear that? Yeah, it's called equalizing your ears. When you dive in the water, if it's really deep, it feels kind of uncomfortable on your ears, so
Pop your ear.
you can pop your ears out, yeah. Feels nice and relaxing.
All right. Are you ready?
I think I'm ready. Okay, here we go. Time to dive for some oysters.
Yes. Are you ready to dive for the oysters?
Let's do it. Woo, let's see how many we can find.
All right.
Here we go.
Let's go.
We did such a good job diving. And look at what we found. Ooh. Here, it's in my pocket. Whoa, look. You see what that is? Yeah, it's an oyster. And looks like we have a couple of them. 1 oyster, 2, 3 oysters, 4 oysters, and whoa, check it out. 5 oysters. Whoa, that's a lot. Yeah, and look at them. Yeah, they're kind of the color brown, light brown. Ooh, and they're really smooth. Whoa. The best part about an oyster is there are pearls inside. Yeah, they're nice and safe inside the oyster. Well, we don't want to open up these oysters to get the pearl because I'm not looking for regular pearls. I'm looking for the mother pearl. We should keep looking around. Maybe we'll find it. Keep your eyes open. Whoa, check it out. We're here at the bandits' hideout. Whoa, this is where the bandits live. Do you remember the story of the lost pearl? Yeah, there was a big tornado. Whoa! Yeah, and then they lost the mother pearl. You know what happened next? Yeah, bandits came and took the mother pearl. That was not very nice. Hey, do you know what a bandit is? Yeah, a bandit is someone who takes things that don't belong to them. Woo! And look! Ah, there's a bandit! Ah! Whoa! Run! Ah! Woo! Keep your eyes open. Need to find the mother pearl. Oh, hello! Hi! It's Donna! Oh, hi, Donna. I'm Blippi. Oh, do you remember the story of the lost pearl? Yeah, the pearl was lost because of a tornado. It was taken by bandits, but but it was found. Yeah, found by Donna. Thanks, Donna. Well, we've also been looking for the mother pearl today. You think you can help us find it? You can? Great. Well, do you know where it is? Oh, you do? Where is it? Oh, whoa, check it out. It's up there. It's been here this whole time. Oh, well, thank you for helping us find it, Donna. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, that was amazing. I had so much fun today at Yas Waterworld in Abu Dhabi. Yeah, we did some pretty cool things. We rode the tornado, we met a bandit, we went diving for pearls, and Donna helped us find the mother pearl. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.